In this question, it is given that two different rods A and B of different materials are welded together as shown. Their thermal conductivities are K1 and K2. Thermal conductivity of composite rod will be. So over here we are considering that these two rods are having same area and same length, and our aim is to find out what about the value of thermal conductivity of this combination. Now there's temperature difference is given across these two ends, so we can say that these two are connected in parallel combination. So we can directly use the equation for K equivalent in parallel combination, that is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2 divided by A1 plus A2. So for first one we can write its conductivity is K1, area is A, plus second one conductivity is K2, area is A, divided by the value of A1 plus A2, which we can take it as nothing but 2A. So this A we can take it as common and it will get cancelled. So we can write the value of K is equal to K1 plus K2 divided by 2.